fall is a special time for the garden because I let up a little bit on it being perfect. Everything is starting to wind down and it's actually beautiful that way. Right here I have all my house plants outside getting some fresh air. I sprayed them down with the hose, extra sunlight. I feel like it's a burst of good weather before they spend an entire winter inside. The garden is looking a little wild, and these sprouted out from last year, and I'm liking the softness of it. And these flowers also came up unexpectedly, and I'm hoping to have more of them next year. But the real surprise came from compost. And my very first video was about creating a compost bin. The compost bin is back here, and it's unbelievable, but it never seems to fill up because everything breaks down, and it reduces the amount of trash I put out at the curb. All of my food waste goes here. But what's so exceptional is this. It came from the compost. It is a tomato vine, and it's creeping up onto the fence, and I have tomatoes coming, and it has that wonderful smell of tomato leaves when I walk by. So the other thing I need to do in the fall is harvest seeds, and these are the seeds that I am going to save and plant early in the spring along all my beds over here, so that this spray of color and the freedom of the wildflowers is a big part of my garden next year. So the fall is about appreciating how everything is dying back, and also already thinking about next year's garden. And it's Sunday in the fall, so go birds!